In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your oil pressure switch on your Honda CR-V 2.4 liter. It's located on the back of the engine. Okay, so I'm on top of the engine, reaching behind the engine. We're going to disconnect this connector. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver if needed. And pull that off. Set that off to the side. So I don't know if the cover is bent. If you can fit a socket in here and just take out the oil pressure switch, go right ahead. The size is 22 millimeter. If your socket doesn't fit, just loosen up that bolt, move the cover out of the way a tiny bit, put your socket in there, 22 millimeter socket, and take it out. Once you've loosened it, you can take it out of there. So now we're going to install our new oil pressure switch. So there's an O-ring in there. If it looks like it's worn, you're going to want to replace that. If it looks okay, you can leave it there. All right, so we're going to install our new switch. Thread it in there by hand first. Now you're going to get your socket on there. So now we're going to torque this to 16 foot-pounds. And you can remove your extension. Now you can take your socket out. I'm going to put my connector back on. Just make sure that you line it up correctly. It may be in a different position now that we've changed the switch. And now we're going to tighten up this cover. If you had to move the cover anyways, if you didn't, then you should be good to go. But we had to move our cover out a little bit to be able to get our socket on. Make sure that's tightened down. All right, now that that's installed, get your vehicle, start her up, and take it for a test drive.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.